In just a moment, I want to show you why it's a first alert day tomorrow. You can see the northern two-thirds of the viewing area under Category 1 risk for severe weather. Biggest threat from damaging winds and or hail. Let's walk you through tomorrow. And by 7 o'clock in the morning, you could see some showers and some thunderstorms, mainly north and east of the triangle. I think the bigger threat will be later in the day as we get toward 2 or 3 o'clock. We've had some heating in the day, and that will fire some strong showers and thunderstorms to first alert you about, especially down in the sand hills. Then even into the evening, we still could see showers lingering through 9 o'clock tomorrow night. So just be aware that tomorrow could be a weather aware day. You're going to want to keep up on that by downloading the ABC 11 app. It'll have updates throughout the day. Every year we get lots of predictions on the hurricane season from lots of different places. One of the earliest places to put out a prediction, and I would argue one of the most accurate predictions, comes from a place that doesn't see any hurricanes at all. I was with my wife today and said, boy, it's warm, but it doesn't feel as humid. You could feel the change. But as the humidity roars back by Thursday, notice this giant swath of the country. Over 116 million Americans will be under a Category 1 risk for severe weather. That does include the northwestern half of our viewing area. So Thursday will be a first alert day for us. We'll keep you informed as we get closer to Thursday night when those storms arrive. There could be an isolated shower that fires, but I think most places will stay rain-free, and that is good news, other than the poor folks in the Sandhills. But I think we're going to get the show in here tonight for all the friends watching in Raleigh.
You know what I love is that our ABC 11 booth this year, fans
keeping everybody cool.
Let's talk a little bit about what we're seeing as far as the damage. It's very rare for us to get an EF3 tornado, and even more rare for it to happen in the month of July. Look at this. The Dorchester Brattleboro area saw it around 12:25 yesterday. I just came from that site. Lots of devastation. Houses knocked off their foundations up there. Estimated peak winds around 150 miles an hour, making it an EF3. The length of this, 16.5 miles. The average length of a tornado is less than 4 miles. And so this thing went on for 4 times what they normally do, and the width at its widest point was 600 yards. Think 6 football fields.
Don, how's Apex?
People think hot, they think Don. That's how it works. Yeah. It is great out here. The band's going now. The Peak City Sound. Doing a little Aretha Franklin back there. You better think about what you're trying to do to me. And I've got a special guest, Quaylen Murphy, joining me. Quaylen, I know you're up late. How are you doing today?
I'm fine. I just came to party.
Sure. And if I wasn't working, I'd be right there with you. That's how that goes. How strong would those winds be? Well, this is just one model, but it gives us an idea. As we go through the day tomorrow, by 5 o'clock, we're seeing gusts near 30 miles an hour and a little higher as you head down to south and east of us. That's the first batch. Then it calms down as we cool off overnight Thursday night. By Friday morning, it picks up, and I think Friday afternoon, that's your best chance of seeing 40-plus mile-an-hour gusts in the Sandhills. Could even get near 50 down in Hoke County. I think through the metro, we're talking 30-plus mile-an-hour wind gusts through the day on Friday. Now, the models have picked up in speed. And notice by Friday night, this time 48 hours from now, we could still be seeing gusts 40-plus miles an hour. But this thing is going to quickly move out of here, and those winds start to die off as we head through the day on Saturday. How much is that wind, though? You hear 35 miles an hour, you hear 50 miles an hour. Let's put it in perspective. 35 is going to flip your lid open on your garbage can. 50 is actually going to knock your garbage can over. And Friday is my garbage day, so I may have to go searching for that garbage can when I get home if we see those gusts over 50. Tonight, the winds out there, not as strong. Northeast at 6, gusts to 15 miles an hour and 60 degrees with a live look into downtown Raleigh. Live look into Fayetteville, 59, clear skies and a north-northeast wind at 9. Overnight, we'll see those clouds staying thick and the cool air with us, 48 in Roxborough, 53 in Raleigh, 52 in Durham, and 57 in Fayetteville. Clouds are here now. We'll see the showers pushing in as we head through the late day tomorrow. You can see that rain shield off to the south. First alert predictor forecast model through the overnight. We start off dry, and then as we go through the day tomorrow, here's the rain starting to arrive in those southern areas by 5, 6 o'clock. And I think we'll see that rain really fill in tomorrow night. This time tomorrow night, we've got rain. The heaviest rain starts on Friday and works through the day on Friday. How much rain are we talking? Well, this red area over here, 3 inches or so. Could see 3 to 5 across the region, although some of these northern areas may drop toward 2 inches. And again, we'll have to adjust that as we see the path of the storm and it gets closer to arriving in our area on on Friday. Tomorrow, 71 degrees, cloudy, breezy, a slight chance of showers, mainly south and east. Your 7-day forecast powered by AccuWeather. Temperatures really across the region. Normally, I do all the cities at this time, but they're all going to be in the upper 60s to lower 70s. Not much of a spread of temperatures tomorrow. Friday, that's your first alert day. We did have Friday and Saturday earlier in the week. I've taken Saturday out of there. I think we'll still see some gusty winds. There still could be rain, especially in the morning, but it's not going to be as bad as Friday. Sunday, 71, scattered showers, and then 60s as we go Monday, Tuesday, on into Wednesday.
All right, so we have to keep our eye on Friday for us around here.
And flying trash cans, too.
I know, that was a good graphic.
Yeah, you hear 35, you don't know what that necessarily means. That's what it means to you if your garbage is thrown out this week.
I like that one.
Keeping it real.
All right, Don, thank you.
Sure.